Alright guys, so in today's video, we're going to be doing an install on my brother-in-law Leonard's bike. So Leonard is here with his motorcycle.
What's going on?
And y'all seen the Street Glide. It's a 2011 Street Glide. But here's the twist. It's a 2011 Street Glide with 14 and newer bags. Now a lot of you guys are doing this upgrade on your motorcycle because the 11 bags wasn't as good as these 14s, right?
Correct.
And you guys saw that video where, anyway, if you haven't seen that video, check that video out where he had some saddlebag problems in DC.
Yeah.
Right. So now he has these nice new stretched saddlebags for this 2011 Street Glide, and it makes it look really nice. On his old bags, he had some Custom Dynamic L.E.D lights. But when he took his old bags off, the old lights would not fit the new bags. So here's the solution. We have the new Custom Dynamic L.E.D lights for an older bike, but with new bags. I know a lot of guys out there have actually done this upgrade, so today we're going to show you how to do it. So let's get into it. First, we're going to take the bags off. Now that you got these new bags, you also need some latch lights too. Oh, that look cool. All right, get the seat off. What kind of seat is this?
It's Harley-Davidson.
Okay.
Solo seat from Harley.
So now he has the seat off, we have both saddlebags off, and now we're underneath the seat where he has everything ran nice and neat. Now, you want to go ahead and open it up, show him what's in the back?
Zip tie holders, zip ties, alcohol to clean the areas, and the lights.
So here's the leads that's going to go underneath the seat. Have one going into 3, and then here is the LED bag light. Now, this sticks to the back of the bag. This runs along the side of the bag.
Okay, on the 2011, which is an older model, the plugs, instead of being underneath the seat, they're on the side, underneath the side cover here. See, and this way you get all your wiring on this side. It kind of helps because it's not bulky underneath the seat, but at the same time, you got to make it snug so that the cover fits snug on there once you put it back together. The thing we had to do here was pull off one adapter and change it to another adapter, because I think I'm going to add some facial lights to this as well while we got this down like this.
And since he's going to be running the facial lights, that's what these are for, because he has the bag lights on one, facial lights on the other, and hopefully you can put the latch lights on the same thing when we do the latch lights.
Yeah.
There you go. For everyone who is trying to figure out what color for what side of the motorcycle, when it comes to your lights on the back, purple is always left side. Brown is always going to be your right. So you'll see this has red, blue, black, and purple. Always going to be your left side for your turn signal. Brown is always going to be your right. All right.
And this is the same way. See the brown wire right there? That one down there has the purple. So you can't confuse them.
We plugged in right here, and we ran right up under here to come out up top there. So that was the best way to do it, because the connectors are a little too big to go underneath here. Again, we came up under here and came out up there.
Yep. Got my bag here and got the wires ran. Here's the part that you connect to the saddlebag, the light. Take this off so I can see it, try to get it as straight as possible on here. Got some 3M tape on the back side, so once you put it on, it's not going anywhere. Before you do anything, once you measure it up, you gotta make sure you clean the bag off. And they supply you with the alcohol pad as well to make sure you're able to clean off your bag. Clean that off so that...
I'll hold this up, make it easier for you to gauge it.
Yeah, well, yeah. Now I gotta let that car dry. Okay, we wiped it off with the alcohol, clean the bag off. Line this tape up, line this light up here.
Now, I know he's sticking it on there, but I never make it where it's touching the lid. I make it where it's very close, but not touching the lid. Matter of fact, sometimes I take a penny and put it in between there just to get the correct spacing. He could have chose red, but he went with smoke. Everything smoked on your bike?
Everything smoked.
Yeah, so you know when you get smoke, you usually stick with one or the other. Everything smoked on the back of my bike too. I had red on the Road King, but then I switched it over to smoke. Looks good, man.
Yep, looks good there.
Are you ready to do the inside now?
We'll lay it down flat there. Tape it down so that it goes behind the shop. That's the important part right there, down inside there. And they want that to be close enough to where you can reach it when it comes time to take it off the bag. Stick one somewhere in here, one somewhere in here, and one right in here. I want to make sure that you clean that so that when you put the zip tie connectors on there that they stick. Like I said, once you put the alcohol on, make sure they dry really well. You don't want them to be wet when you stick these on.
We put on a couple of these bag lights before though.
Yeah. Had them on my other one before we switched over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy got them on his, I got them on mine. Second set on mine, right? Then I put some on the blue bike. Yeah, so.
And run it through there. Take the zip ties, they just slide right through there. Got holes on all four sides, so depending on which direction you want to run it.
There you go.
That's basically that's.
Cut your excess off. And that bag's good to go.
Alrighty, got this saddlebag back on. We're gonna tighten up these wires, put the side cover back on, then we'll put that saddlebag on. We gotta make sure we put the side cover on before that saddlebag. So let us tighten this up and
plug this up.
Plug this up.
Good to go.
And we'll be good to go. Put the seat on and we'll see how it looks. Alrighty. There we go.
All right, guys, so we're finished, and it was an easy process. Leonard, it didn't take him, what, about 40 minutes to do the whole thing. Right. Took the seat off, side cover off, saddlebags off, connected the connector underneath the side cover, ran the wires up underneath the seat, put the wires on the saddlebags, attached the bag lights on the saddlebags, and then there it is, it's complete. Now, these are the LED bag lights that are sequential. So not only are they red, they also turn amber and they flash in a sequential pattern, which makes it really look good. They're also connected to his magic strobe that when he hits the brake, they flash. But first, let me show you what they look like. Go ahead and turn it on there. So there they are in red. Real nice. You can see these red look nice. And there he is with the brake light. Hit the brake light again. That's the magic strobe feature. All the brake lights are flashing. And now, the turn signal. Turn this one on this side here. Sequential.
Yep.
See that? It's going to get your attention. When someone's behind you, you want to make sure that that car can see you, that you're in front. When you're turning or when you're braking, there it is right there. And turn it off.
And I like to ride in the back.
Yeah, he rides in the back of the pack. You just saw the product. Turn it completely off. Not overbearing, doesn't make your bike look gaudy or anything else. Nice and clean. Doesn't break up the flow of this motorcycle. That's what I like about Custom Dynamics. I got Custom Dynamic lights on all of my Harleys, and my family members on all their Harleys, they run Custom Dynamics. So if you want some for yourself, remember this is a custom dynamic setup. Give them a call. They can tell you what you need to have an 11 bike. If you have newer saddlebags, what you need to make that configuration work. You happy with it? You like it?
Very happy with it. Looks good, man.
Yeah.
I feel much better when I go out tonight. I feel much better when I ride.
Oh yeah, but it's not over with. This is just one part of this video. We have the crazy idea of making a live video of installing the facial lights next. So you guys are going to see that you'll probably see this video later, but go back and watch the facial light video. I never did a live Custom Dynamics install, so we're gonna see how it works out. All right, guys, I wanna thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Don't forget to go to CustomDynamics.com to check out all the LED lights that they have for your motorcycle. Guys, it's important to be seen. Again, it's important to be seen, and Custom Dynamics helps you keep your bike lit, and it's just pretty cool too, by the way. All right, like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.